All right, so I'm gathering up some sticks off of these trees for my little experiment on my stove. Just anything like this, find these kind of stuff anywhere. We'll see if it works. All right, so we found us a nice little place out of the wind. Pretty snowy here. Wind's blowing a little bit. Got this nice little rock right here. I'm gonna set up our little homemade stove on it. See how it is. It's gonna be awesome. All right, so here's my a little bigger stove than the last one I tried. Made out of a little bigger can. Oh, looks like it got a little smashed in our trip up here, but it should still work. All right, so here we go. There's the base. There's the burner and the holder. Just set it right down in there like that. You can see it's got a little thing in there, and then even made these two little dealies to put on top. Hold my pan with, and we'll get the fire going and see what happens. Okay, so I used one of my little cotton swab things soaked in cotton as a base, and then I packed the firebox full of sticks. And we're gonna set it, I'm gonna hold it up and light it, which I might not be able to do in video at the same time, but you can, okay, here we go. We're gonna open up a can of Progresso soup, set it right on top of there, and see what we got for, see if we can boil our soup. All right, so cooking away. We can take these little sticks and feed that fire if we need to, and we'll see how it goes. See if it kills the soup and makes it inedible or what we got. Maybe should have peeled the wrapper off of the soup can first, but we'll see. You can kind of see it's kind of supposed to work on a wood gasification process. You can kind of see the jets coming in there a little bit. It's cooking pretty good. Put a couple handfuls of sticks in there is all. It is a little tippy, so you might, as you pick a rock or whatever to set it on, you might make sure it's setting pretty good. But other than that, so far so good. Oh yeah, I see the soup is a-boiling. Very nice. Pretty glad I decided to bring my little pot holder grabber thing along and my long neck spoon. Should be tasty, tasty. Bon appetit. Here we are. We got nice steaming hot Progresso soup in the can with some crackers that kind of survived the trip a little bit. And gonna have a nice little, had the nice little ride on the side-by-side coming up. And can stove is still burning, putting out some nice heat to warm up by, and Roxy and I are gonna enjoy our lunch break. Okay, so now that the fire's gone out, just rolled the can around in the snow and cooled it off a little bit. Since I had some sticks left over, I went ahead and preloaded the firebox for the next time we might need it. Then all we'd have to do is pull our firebox out. Like this. Turn our little base over. We could, you can see how that is. You could just light it from the bottom. Set it down in there, and we'd be ready for the next thing, and we can stow it like this, fully loaded. We just slide our base over it like that. Get the sticks out of the way first, of course. Slide our little base back over like that. Throw it back in our sack, put it back in the side-by-side, and All we need to do next time is to light it, and we'd have at least enough fuel to get started. We were gonna go fishing up at Park Reservoir because the reservoir's low. But man, it was windy and way cold down by the water, so no.